How to download X Twitter app on iPhone. So here is a full step-by-step tutorial on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is tap on the App Store icon from your iPhone's home screen. Then, once inside the App Store, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and type down X or Twitter into the search bar and simply hit enter. Now here I have simply typed down X. Now look for the app with the developer listed as X Corp. Icon is a black X on white background. Now tap on the download icon, cloud with a download arrow or get. If prompted, use Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password to confirm. Then wait for a while for installation to be completed. Once completed, you can simply tap on the open and sign in. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.